Okay, let's go over and draw a cute Ninja Turtle. All right, let's get started. Gonna go right here for the bottom of the face. By the way, this is step by step, okay? So follow along with me. Gonna go right here, curve for the bottom of the mouth of the Ninja Turtle. And we're probably gonna do, I haven't decided which turtle we're gonna do. Probably, oh man, probably Leonardo. I think that's probably the one I'm gonna stick with. I just like the sword. I think it's cool. Curve around here for the rest of the lower part of the face. So this is his snout, and this is the edge of his face right there. Gonna go over here, line up, down. It's gonna be the bottom of his mask so far. Alrighty. Gonna curve back up here. Sweet. We're gonna go over here and find the edge of the mask on the outside. So we're gonna go up over there. So little bunching right there of the cloth. Curve up. Line over there at the top. Curve right there. And down. Right there. So you got that whole mask right there. And that area is bigger, by the way. Because the reason it's bigger is because when you draw something cute, it is 100%, not 100, like 90% of it is about proportion, right? Big mask, pretty small mouth, and that makes it look cuter. Now I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So we're going to draw the eye in, and it'll really dictate that. So over here we're going to draw the far side eye, which is going to be relatively, see how skinny that is, but it's really high up. And then over here we're going to go on this side, curve up, down, and that one's really wide because it's facing us more than the other eye. Curve underneath right there. Okay. Let's go over here now to draw the inside of the iris and pupil. Curve. Over here as well. So the iris and pupil are big. And then I'm going to draw the top of his head, which there's not a whole lot right there. It's just kind of the cap right there. Down. It's already looking pretty good, right? It's already looking pretty cute. We got it, you know, this thing is coming up, all right? Hopefully yours is going well too. So just get it close enough. It doesn't have to be a carbon copy of mine, but get it close enough and you're good. You're golden. Line right there for the pupil, which is the dark part of the eye. And over here, let's draw like a highlight first, right there. And then curve right here for the dark part of the eye. All right, good stuff so far, okay? Hit the like button if you like it so far, if you're following along pretty well. You know, it's hard to kind of explain as I'm talking, so definitely hit that like. It helps out a lot. Gonna go over here now for the little noose in the back, little tie, you know, he's tying his, the bandana. Out over here. And out over here. I'm gonna do that kind of thing. Out over here now on the top, the other one. These are two sides to the bandana. Gravity's pulling down a little bit on it. That's why I made it go down a little bit, that top one. Down here. So when I talk about cute, the eyes are big, the mouth is smaller than normal. The eyes are proportionally, bigger compared to the head, right? Like on a regular human face or even a regular Ninja Turtle face, their eyes are smaller, you know, than this proportionally, meaning they take up less space. That's what I mean by cute is all about like 90% about proportion, right? Obviously there's line quality stuff like that. If you like this kind of stuff and you want to print out worksheet of this, go to the link below and get the free ebook all on cute drawing. I have every rule on how to make something cute there. It's on 20 pages, 19 pages are pictures. They're just charts, and they're going over stuff like this. Big eye, small head. How big is the head compared to the body? Stuff like that. What are the choices that you have? Really big body? I'm sorry, I mean smaller body or much smaller body, right? I talk about all that is, used to be a product I sold, but now it is 100% free. It's a gift to you guys for following me this long. So go get that. That's my gift to you. It's in the only problem is you have to find it in the description. There's a lot of stuff in the description. So if you find it, you got it. All right. So let's kind of move on here, and I'm gonna keep the body probably about a head and a half tall, maybe 2 heads tall. So let's go over here now. Out. in for the kind of hand of the turtle. Down right here. It's going to be kind of like a teddy bear hand. We're going to do that. You can choose to do teddy bear hand or maybe a more complicated hand, but I'm going to choose that. Curve right here. All right. Line across. Line here. All right. Let's go to the belt. A circle, and then the rest of the tide right there, right? The belt, pretty much. And I'm gonna put a letter here. I said I was gonna do Leonardo, so I'll do Leonardo. All right, gonna go over here, out for the far hand, curve right there. And then the bottom front part of the shell, like so. Okay, doing good, awesome, sweet, sweet. Let's go over here down to the leg on this side. Leg on this side. Curve down, pull in, up. Down right here, curve in, up, right there. So you have 1 foot on this side, 1 foot on that side. This is actually maybe like, if you get the free ebook, I thought about 2 heads tall. This is taller than 2 heads, so it's like 1, 2 and like a quarter maybe. And let's draw the shell in the back right there, just that curve, that kind of hump. All right, line down the middle of the chest. It's gonna travel down past that, line across here, line across here. All right, and then there's some texture to the shell, and you can just draw lines because we can't see the shell that much. They're supposed to be little hexagons or octagons, mostly I think hexagons. Little tape right here on the knee. Tape right here. Tape right here. And then we're going to draw the sword kind of in the back here. So let me see. Okay, it's going to, all right. Line over here, like so. Line over here. It's going to be sheathed, right? It's going to be in the sword, in the sheath there. Line across here, down. And then the handle, let me draw the handle a little bit bigger. Up over here, it's gonna go behind the bandana right there. Kind of, you know, I'm gonna fill this in dark, just kind of even it out. And maybe fill this part in to show that it's sheathed in there. Doesn't look like it's poking its shell or anything. Whew. And there you go. That's Leonardo. Stick around, by the way. Share the video, by the way. It's huge. Sharing the video brings a lot of views and also lets me know what else to draw on the channel, because if you have any recommendations, I appreciate it. But stick around for the announcement right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.